Hello and welcome to Meditative Muse. This short yet effective mindfulness meditation will allow you to center your thoughts and focus your energy to help clear your mind swiftly and easily. Let's settle in to a quiet, comfortable place where you can sit or lie down. And close your eyes. Now it's time to disconnect from everything around you so you can recenter, reset, and regain your energy. So let's begin. Take a deep breath in, breathing in peace and tranquility, and breathe out all of the things floating around in your head without giving another thought to any of them. Your mind has become clear, calm, and in this moment only. Give yourself permission to do nothing. Allow yourself to experience this moment of stillness. There is nothing at all that needs to be done other than being right here in this exact place in time. Now take notice of your breath, gently breathing in and out. With an easy, relaxed, and spacious mind, place a small amount of attention on what else the mind or the body is feeling. Notice if there is any discomfort in simply being present in this moment, doing nothing. Notice if the mind would rather run off somewhere towards the future, to something you feel needs to be done. Notice if the mind would rather busy itself with reviewing and reliving the past. And each time you notice the pull of movement of distraction. And with loving patience, give your mind permission to reset help the mind settle by guiding it back towards the awareness of your breath. Inhale and exhale like the gentle rhythm of waves going in and out from the shore. As you begin to return to a relaxed state, allow for the mind to feel spacious. Open and at ease. Allow the mind to fall into joy, the bliss of no longer needing to do, the bliss of simply being. Chase nothing. Distraction will arise, but there's nothing to do except be. In the spaciousness of this present moment, your mind and body at ease. Allow yourself to stay right here. Nothing to do. Nothing more sacred or more worthy than this. Being present in this moment. You can allow yourself more time to stay at peace in this very moment, or if you are ready, you can open your eyes. Inner stillness is the key to outer strength. Repeat this meditation at any time to clear and calm the mind. You can do this.